Hey guys, I'm going to share the proven ways to become a millionaire, but did you know? If there were 10 millionaires in this room, 8 out of those 10 are self-made millionaires. But how did they do it? A lot of people. Yes! They have the same 24 hours as we do, but it's the habits and the routine that just separates them from the rest. And the very first habit they do is they smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I know. But the real first thing that millionaires do is they fix their mindset. Somebody who thinks that they can do it is right, and somebody who also thinks that they can't do it, they're also right too. I truly believe that anyone can change their life and become a millionaire if that's their goal. And sometimes people don't know how to become a millionaire, which is why you gotta have a plan. You wanna ask yourself, what steps do I need to take to become a millionaire? You gotta figure out what's best for you, and you have to know your strengths and your weaknesses. Some of my strengths are making videos like these. Once you figure out what you're good at, whether it's content creation, marketing, or even sales, double down on your strengths, find an audience and a market for it, and you'll be making a lot of money. Another thing that millionaires do is they take risks. They know that whatever they're doing isn't working out and they gotta try something else. What they're doing here is they're taking calculated risk. And of course, these people think about what happens if it doesn't work out. They lose a little time, they lose a little money, lose a little dignity. The thing is, if you learn to fail, learn to make mistakes, you're gonna learn hundreds of lessons way quicker than just thinking about it or not executing on what you want to do. What if you did take a little risk and tried it out? You get to meet new people, you have a different lifestyle for a little bit. Who knows? You may like it. And once you make a little money, what do you do with it? I'll let you in on a little secret. They invest in stocks, in real estate. They use the money they made to make more money. But Eric, I don't know how to invest and make more money. And great news, millionaires also didn't know how to invest. They're ordinary people just like us. You could read books, you could take online courses, you could watch YouTube videos like these. And thank you for watching. Drop me a like and a comment down below, and I'll see you next time.
We just gotta grind for that paycheck.